critters, hope you like that short video. Okay, today we are going to look at SEO Writing AI Tool. This is a great resource for generating income if you leverage it strategically. It can help you create high quality SEO optimized contents quickly, which opens up several money making opportunities. I have an expert today and she can explain it better than me. Here she is. Hello Mora, how are you?
Good, and you?
Well, I'm good. Mora, I've been hearing about this SEO Writing AI tool that can create bunch of blog posts super fast and can make money easily. Can you explain me what it is and walk me through how to use it?
Sure, I'd be happy to. SEO Writing AI is an incredible tool that helps you to generate blog articles quickly, optimize them for search engines, and even create up to 100 posts in just few minutes. It's perfect for the bloggers, marketers, or anyone needing SEO-friendly content very fast. Let me break down how to use it step by step.
Wow, that sounds awesome. Let's start with creating a single blog post. How can I do that?
Sure. Let's go through the process using the one-click blog post features for a single article. Step 1. Access the tool and enter the keywords. First, log into the SEO Writing AI platform and select the one-click blog post option. Then, enter your main keywords for the topic you want to write about. For example, if you're writing about a tick, you might input something like image to video generations, top 5 AI tools, April 2025 updates. Step 2. Generate a title. Next, click the button to let the AI suggest a title based on your keywords. You will get an engaging and trending title like this. You can keep it, or you can tweak it if needed. Step 3. Hit customize the article settings. Now, adjust the settings to fit your needs. You can choose the language like English or other languages. Set the tone such as friendly or professional. Pick an AI model like a DeepSeek V3 with a real-time SEO optimization, or you can also choose some other AI model. Select the point of view like a first person, third person's, whatever, and even target a specific country for relevance. If you have set up a custom brand voice, you can upload that here too. I will explain that in the later part. Step 4. Add media and details. In this step, you can add extra elements. Use the media hubs to generate an AI image, say 3 images for your post. That will be more appropriate. And decide if you wanted to embed a YouTube videos. You can also include specific details like contact informations in the article. Step 5. Set the SEO and structures preferences. The tool automatically optimizes for SEO using the real-time data, but you can customize that article structures. Decide if you want tables, lists, FAQs, quotes, or a conclusion. You can also enable the internal linkings to the other post on your site or external linkings to the relevant brief content. Step 6. Choose Publish option. Finally, decide how to save or publish. You can save the articles as a document, or you can publish it directly to your WordPress site. You will need an SEO Writing AI plugin installed for this in your WordPress. Pick categories, assign an author, set the URL format, mark the first image as a featured image, and add a meta description. That's it. You are ready to go for publishing. Step 7. Generate and review. Hit the generate button and wait a minute or two for the AI to create your article. Once it is done, check it on your site or in the platform. You will see all the formatting, images, and links in place. You can still edit, download as an HTML, or you can review the SEO reports to ensure everything looks good.
That's pretty detailed, Mora. I really appreciate that. What if I wanted to go for creating multiple articles at once?
No problem. That's where the bulk article generation feature comes in. Here is how it works. Step 1. Select the bulk generations and input topics. Go to the bulk article generations tool on the platform. Enter your main topics or keywords for multiple articles, the most popular AI tools in 2025. The AI will suggest additional keywords and titles for each topic. Step 2. Generate outlines and title. Let the AI create a structured outlines and titles for each article. For instance, it might generate 10 titles related to this AI tools in 2025. You can adjust or remove any that don't fit. Step 3. Customize the settings for all the articles. Set the same parameters as with a single post, language, tone, AI model, and so on for all the articles at once. You can also choose how many images to include per article and whether to use your brand voice. Step 4. Set publishing preferences. Enable the automatic publishings to your WordPress site if desired. You can let the AI to assign the categories or choose them by yourself. And meta descriptions and other details just like before. Step 5. Launch and monitor. Click the start generation process. You will see a queue of articles being created, each count as a generated credit. Once that is done, they will be published or saved based on your settings. Review them to ensure their accuracy.
Wow, this is so cool. I'm really impressed, Maura. And one quick question. What if the article sounds too robotic or artificial? I want that to be looking like more humanized person created those blogs.
That's a valid concern. And SEO Writing AI has a solution called Humanizer Tool. Here is how to use it. Step 1. Access this Humanizer tool. Go to the Humanizer section on the platform and paste your AI-generated text you wanted to improve. Step 2. Adjust the readability and the style. Set the readability level like a grade 8 to 9 for a general audience and choose whatever the language you prefer. You can also enable an option to remove AI-sounding words or phrases. Step 3. Run and review. Click to process the text. The tool will rewrite it to sound more natural and human-like kind of thing. And once it is done, you can copy that revised version or you can download it as an HTML.
Wow, that is so cool, Maura. I really love that. Also, you said you will cover the brand voice later. You remember? So, can you tell me what it is?
Absolutely. Thank you for reminding me. The brand voice feature helps with that. Here's the process. Step 1. Set up the brand voice. In the platform, go to the brand voice section and upload some sample text, PDF, or let the AI scrap your websites to analyze your style. Step 2. Customize the parameter. Adjust the elements like a tone, vocabulary, syntax, target audience, and company mission. Save this as your custom brand voice. Step 3. Apply to the articles. When creating your single or bulk articles which we discussed earlier, select this saved brand voice from the settings. The AI will match your style across all the content.
That sounds really great. Thank you so much, Maura. You're really helpful. This sounds like a game changer for me. And Maura, any final advice before I dive in?
Just a couple of tips. Always double check your keywords and settings before generating, especially for bulk articles to avoid any inconsistency. Also, review the final content for accuracy and relevance. If you are publishing to WordPress, make sure the SEO Writing AI plugin is installed and configured. With this tool, you will have a SEO optimized, high-quality post ready to drive traffic in no time.
Wait, is this free? Or do I need to pay for this?
It has both free and paid. For paid, you can use the discount code from the below descriptions to get 25% discount. Free, you can make 5 articles per month. For starters, it's $14 and you can make 50 articles per month. Professional, it's $59 and you can make 250 articles per month.
Wow, that's good. At least I can try to see for a month and then I can see how that works.
Yes, I suggest you to start with that approach.
Well, thank you so much, Maura. This is really helpful and hope my creators will love this and this could help them to make money on automating their blog creations in a super fast mode. So creators, let's dive in. I'm also going to try this one. Use the below link and code to get the 25% discounts on the SEO Writing Tool and start making contents. Happy creating.